Hey, excited to tell you about this weekend. The 13th annual West Fight On takes place at Shelby Farms Park on Saturday morning. It is Memphis' largest cancer survivor event and benefits the West Cancer Foundation. And here with me today to share more about the event is Stephanie Douglas, Vice President of Development for the West Clinic, and Leanne Soden, the President of the West Cancer Foundation. I should have said foundation, right?
Yes, sir.
Foundation. She is the Vice President for the West Cancer Foundation. So welcome to you both.
Thank you,
Thank
Joe.
you.
We're thrilled to have you here. So, Leanne, share with us why this fundraiser is so important.
It's so important. It's our signature fundraising event, our 13th year. We're so excited about this, and it's grown exponentially every year. We brought Stephanie on last year, and it really grew. So we're having really great hopes for this coming Saturday. We do the events because we have to raise the money. We have to raise the money for something very meaningful for cancer patients who are less fortunate, uninsured. They need our help, especially transportation. Last year, Joe, we provided over 7,000 rides for cancer patients to and from any, we work with all providers, to and from any hospital system, any provider, and that's huge. You cannot miss your chemo and radiation. It affects your outcomes, just missing one. So that's a very important program to us.
Very good.
And we just launched mental health for the patient and or the caregiver, because that's a very tough time, especially if there's a terminal diagnosis in the family.
Indeed.
So that's just a little bit about what we do.
Very good. Well, Stephanie, what can people expect? You're wearing the jersey for Saturday. The cyclists will be riding out in that in the various races. They're not races, they're rides. What can people expect at the event on Saturday?
Yes. So, Joe, I've just learned that the weather is going to be perfect for that day. It's going to be between 80 and 85 degrees and sunny. So it's not too late for everybody to come out, but it is a family fun event, something for everybody. There will be a 1 mile tribute walk, a 5K walk or run, whichever you choose, and a 20, 40, or 60 mile cycling riding event. So any of that, you're welcome to come out and do. We want as many people to come out as they can. There is also a kids bike parade that will be there, a kids zone with face painting and bounce house. There are mimosas, food, music, so it's a really great time for everyone. We also have a survivor ceremony, which is where we honor survivors. And then we also have to take a moment of silence where we honor those that aren't with us. And it's a very emotional time and a very sweet time. And we have a bagpiper that plays after that. So there's something for everybody at the event.
Well, very good. Well, this event supports not only survivors, but also the caregivers. You just mentioned the mental health aspect. Why is it so important to include our caregivers in the celebration?
So many times the caregiver gets left behind because everyone's focused on the patient, and everyone's their doctors, incredible physicians here in town. They focus on their getting healing and getting well. And sometimes the caregiver's just kind of out here by themselves. Many times they need that help more than the patient in some instances. So I know it would be a really, really good thing, and it's through Alliance Healthcare. We love partnering with them, and we'll help any patient or caregiver who wants to sign up for that. We'll help them.
That's truly wonderful. So I drive by West Clinic, and I know you're not officially linked to West Clinic, but it does have the same West name, and so your foundation. I drive by that clinic on Wolf River Parkway frequently, and I see all those cars there. It reminds us they have a lot of cancer patients. But what I don't think many of our viewers realize is your foundation supports cancer patients regardless of where they're being treated. Could you share about that, please?
Sure. We work with a lot of our community partners, and that's one thing we love about West Fight On is we're working to bring the cancer community together. We need to fight as one. So that's why it's so important to come out and show your support. It's all about the patient, Joe. At the end of the day, it's all about the patient. We don't care where you're being treated. We're Switzerland. So it's just—
You're neutral.
Very neutral, yes.
All right.
Yes.
Well, last year, I believe you were north of $600,000 when I looked at the video a little earlier. And so this year, you hope to surpass that? Is that what
We certainly
the goal
do.
is?
We certainly do, and we certainly will.
Yes, we will.
We are already on target to have more participants and registrants than we did last year, and we are on target to reach our fundraising goal, if not exceed it. So we need everyone to come out, everyone to register. It's going to be a beautiful day. And again, I'm not sure if Leanne said it, if I missed it, but all of our services that we provide are free to the public. So this is why we're trying to raise so much money so that we can support these programs, so that they're free to the cancer patients that need them.
You even brought along a medal that
Yes.
you're going to be giving.
So
and
this is the
beautiful
medal that we have for the 5K. So we do have a medal. The participants also get these as just participating in the walk. We do have other awards for the 5K awards that are going to be really something special this year. And then I've got on the cycling jersey, and this is our singlet that we will have this year as well.
Breaking barriers to cancer care is what it says there on
Yes,
there.
that is our mission, breaking barriers to cancer care so that everyone can have equal access to the care that they need. Yeah, so we're very excited.
So very good. So where can folks go to sign up and learn more?
westfighton.org.
That's the place to be if you want to learn more about a big Saturday event. Thank you so much, Stephanie Douglas and Leanne Soden. And the West Cancer Foundation is the organization that is hosting this big event. So we hope to see you on Saturday. Right now, Ron Childers is about to underscore how